Hi everyone, I'm Tsholofelo Tshabadira from the Central University of Technology, South Africa. So I was invited here as a first professor in the International Residency Program. So basically with this program, I wanted to host workshop, guest lectures, and also to get a gist of the curriculum that's been shared in the School of Art and Design. Well, let me tell you about the first experience that I had. So I gave a guest lecture on marketing strategies and in design in the School of Law. What I also told the students is that they have to really enhance their skills in terms of marketing strategy. Students in law created their own their own companies. So that was a great experience because they were able to also advertise their companies and how would they brand themselves. So what I wanted to also say is that the hospitality here was awesome. I was really welcome. Your sports facilities are great, and I'm looking forward to coming back to enhancing more collaborations in terms of the curriculum. I'm very happy that Dr. Niti from the School of Art and Design as the Dean has invited me. So I thank you so much and thank you for this experience.